This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Howlett. Live like you are on vacation in this stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath first-floor waterfront condo. Enjoy incredible sunsets every day from your extra-large balcony that sits off of your spacious living room and master bedroom. The open floor plan features a sunken living room, a large dedicated dining space, a master bedroom with ensuite bath and walk-in closet, and a very spacious second bedroom. Additional features include 2 storage closets, a wrap-around deck, a dedicated parking spot, and newer Anderson windows and doors. This home is only 5 blocks from the ocean front. For more information, review the details below.